The Pearl Standard posits that humans are social animals whose development and progress depend on shared knowledge and consensus. The ultimate goal of the Pearl Standard is to create a completely decentralized, reliable, anchor-backed currency for market circulation. Achieving this goal also requires shared knowledge and consensus. Therefore, the Pearl Standard's phased evolutionary plan, broken down into 4 steps, is designed to establish this shared understanding and consensus within the ecosystem. The Pearl Standard's fully decentralized and absolutely anchor-backed currency, Pearl Coins, will maintain a specific coupling function relationship with its anchor and will serve as a stable and low-friction exchange currency. To achieve this predetermined goal and ensure the reliability of its operation, the Pearl Standard's PS-DeFi system will be implemented in 2 basic stages, each with 2 advancement steps. In the first stage, the Pearl Standard aims to establish an ecosystem, the PS-DAO, where everyone can mint currency, and the value of the currency is equal to the value of its anchor. The first step in this stage is marked by the issuance of 100,000 PPS, which will establish the PS-DAO and form a consensus ecosystem around the anchor PPS and the first-generation Pearl coin, PSC, and its trading rules. During this step, the Pearl Standard system will initially operate only the sales platform, trading platform, and forum platform with the guessing proof mechanism, GPM. Given the limited transaction volume and frequency, Pearl Coins, PSC, will be issued by anchor holders using decentralized classic blockchain technology. The Pearl Standard will deploy its exclusive PS blockchain from the outset, with each PPS anchor associated with a specific digital wallet. The total face value of issued PSC will be tied to and equal to the total dollar price of issued PPS anchors, preventing any possibility of overissuance. At this stage, the Pearl Standard's functional platform remains entirely centralized, with data hashed and stored on the blockchain to ensure immutability. The Genesis block of the Pearl Standard PS blockchain is like a seed, nurturing and growing in tandem with the development of the centralized functional platform, naturally achieving multiple branches like a flourishing tree. The ultimate goal is for the Pearl Standard functional platform to dissolve into a distributed fault-tolerant consensus mechanism, with the Pearl Standard system integrating seamlessly into the vast internet landscape, while the absolutely anchor-backed Pearl coins persist and evolve indefinitely. In the second step of the first stage, as the Pearl Standard grows from 100,000 PPS to 300,000 PPS, it will achieve scalable PS-DAO operations, and the customized platform will begin to operate. During this step, the PS blockchain will implement forward-compatible parallelized multi-forking, transforming the Pearl Standard system into an open public chain. The Pearl Standard trading platform will become a green shared node within the cryptocurrency network, friendly to the Earth's environment. The Pearl Standard will develop its unique pan-structural protocol, PSP30, which will effectively realize machine trust and interactive co-construction, consensus governance, and value sharing under free will. The holders of PSC issued by 300,000 PPS will act as builders of the Pearl Standard Consensus Circle PS-DAO, permanently holding 50% of the operating income rights of the 3 main functional platforms, trading, forum, and custom platforms, and possessing 100% voting rights. Major decisions of the Pearl Standard's 3 financial platforms will be made through voting by the PSC holders, establishing a unique decentralized decision-making model in the digital currency field. The fully decentralized PSC will have its source code published and can exist independently of the Pearl Standard platform, with holders free to choose other trading institutions and platforms. In summary, the Pearl Standard system retains some centralized characteristics at this stage because the trading platform remains centralized. However, the issuance of Pearl Coins, PSC, has always adopted a decentralized blockchain technology model. At this stage, PSC has not yet become a fully market-circulating currency, but is recognized within the Pearl Standard ecosystem and other cryptocurrency ecosystems as a non-commercial circulation currency. The second stage marks a revolutionary milestone where the Pearl Standard becomes an absolutely anchor-backed cryptocurrency system that surpasses national sovereignty and achieves efficient transaction processing as a commercial circulation currency. It will be issued in proportion to the GDP share of major economic countries globally and enter the ranks of sovereign reserve currencies. In the first step of this stage, the Pearl Standard System will launch the second-generation Pearl Coin, PSD, a commercial circulation currency. The anchor for PSD is not limited to PPS, but can be any seawater Pearl anchor determined by the Pearl Standard PSDAO voting mechanism. These anchors, known as PSA, must be held in the Pearl Standard Custody Center, with the total issuance of PSD equal to the initial price of PSA. The Custody Center, managed by the Pearl Standard Collaborative Organization, PSCO, using a distributed fault-tolerant trust mechanism, ensures that PSD can always be exchanged for an equivalent value of PSA. In the second step of the second stage, the Pearl Standard System will undergo a chain-level leapfrog switching to evolve into the PSQFSC Quadrant Fuzzy Synchronization Chain, a blockchain technology path enhanced with AI. This will enable seamless integration with major mobile communication operators and facilitate instant mass transaction processing for commercial scenarios. The Pearl Standard's PSQFSC, balancing data security and operational efficiency, will uniquely provide instant mass transaction processing capabilities necessary for a commercial circulation currency. Additionally, Pearl Standard digital wallets will be available for unlimited free download, utilizing PSNK technology, zero-knowledge proof technology, to ensure the privacy and security of PSD assets. Finally, in the second step of the second stage, the Pearl Standard's PSD, backed by solid anchor assets, will integrate into the trend of multipolarized global currencies. It will establish exchange relationships with major circulating fiat currencies, achieve low-friction exchangeability, and become a reserve currency in some countries. The centralized platform of the Pearl Standard will complete its historical mission and dissolve, with the sales and custom platforms becoming independent market-operated institutions and the core functions of the trading and forum platforms integrating into the distributed fault-tolerant consensus mechanism of the Internet. The absolutely anchor-backed Pearl Coin, PSD, will become a universally accepted, unobstructed digital currency in global commercial scenarios, a truly asset-backed currency.